Welcome to this Tauri tutorial. In this lesson, you'll create an animated button with beautiful hover and click effects using React and Tailwind CSS. Let's get started. Before we start, let's make sure you have Rust and Node.js installed. Tauri needs Rust for the backend and Node.js for the front-end tooling. Great! Both Rust and Node.js are installed. We're ready to create our animated button app. We'll use npm create Tauri-app to scaffold our project. We're selecting the React TypeScript template for a modern setup. The scaffolding creates a project with both front-end and back-end code. The SRC folder has React components, and SRC Tauri has the Rust backend. Let's look at the default app.tsx file. We'll replace this with our animated button component. Now let's create our animated button. We'll use Tailwind CSS transition and transform classes for smooth animations. We're using hover::scale to enlarge the button on hover, and active::scale to shrink it on click. The transition duration class makes the animation smooth. Notice the shadow and color transitions. When you hover, the shadow grows and the background color changes, creating a beautiful interactive effect. Here's our animated button in action. Watch how it scales up on hover and responds to clicks with a satisfying shrink effect. Congratulations! You've built an animated button in Tauri. These CSS animation techniques work great for creating engaging user interfaces. Congratulations! You've created an animated button with Tailwind CSS in a Tauri app. You learned how to use transition, transform, and hover effects. Keep exploring to build more interactive UI components.